The next one is ko. Ko or katai. Katai. Katai means hard. So we have the first one is kotai. Kotai. The hard body, which means solid. Okay, this we are referring to the phase, the solid phase state, and the liquid state and the gas state. And then the next one is kote. Kote. The second kanji here represents fixed. So it's hard and fixed. So it's fixed, cannot be moved. The next one is gyoko. Gyoko. Gyoko, the first kanji here, refers to hard, stiff, like that. So you put two hearts, it becomes freezing. Okay, gyoko. The next kanji is eki. Eki. Eki means liquid. So you can have the first one as ekitai. Ekitai. Ekitai is the body of liquid. Okay, so this is the phase of liquid, liquid phase, liquid state. The second one is yoeki. Yoeki. Okay, yoeki means solution. So the first kanji represents dissolve, solve. And then the second one is liquid. So the liquid that solves something is a solution. The last one is ekika. Ekika. So ka represents changes, which means it changed into liquid, which is liquefaction. Okay. The next phase is ki. The next kanji is ki, which means gas or aura. So we got the last phase, which is kitai. Kitai, which represents gas. The next one we have kiatsu. Kiatsu. Okay. Kiatsu, the second kanji here represents pressure. So the pressure of the gas, which means atmospheric pressure. The third one is joki. Joki. Joki, the first kanji here represents steam. So the steam gas, which means vapor. Okay. The next kanji is yu. Yu or tokeru. Tokeru. Tokeru means melt, to melt. Okay. So you have the first one is yukai. Yukai. Yukai means melt. In chemistry, you can say when you melt, like say, iron, metal, or you just melt the ice into the water. It means yukai. If you put the last kanji here, yukai ten. Yukai ten. Ten means point, which means melting point. The last one is yugo. Yugo. Yugo means fusion. You melt something and it match. You melt something and it match. So it becomes fusion. Okay. The next kanji is kai or tokeru. Tokeru. It means solve. So basically this tokeru means to solve. If you solve a problem, like math problem, you say this kanji. But if you say you melt ice physically, use that kanji. So the first one is yukai, to melt. You melt something. Okay. The next one is the same, melting point, yukai ten. And the last one, we got kaito. Kaito. Kaito means to solve. And this one is the answer. So kaito represents the answer you solve, which is just the answer. Okay, if you have an exam, what is the correct answer? Kaito. The next kanji is gyo. Gyo. Or in onyomi, we call it koru. Koru. Which means stiff or hard. The first kanji is gyoko. Gyoko. You got stiff and it becomes hard, which means freezing. Okay, to freeze from from water to ice, like that, from liquid to solid. We put 10, so gyoko 10, it becomes freezing point. The freezing point for water is 0 Celsius. The last one is gyoshuku. Gyoshuku. Gyoshuku is condensation, the process from gas to liquid. So from water vapor into water. Gyoshuku.